Ed Evans, take one. Mark.
My name's Ed Evans. I'm a global HR director. I've been in HR for over 25 years. I was in the United States Army for approximately 21 years. My job was to take care of soldiers. It's rather synonymous, in the civilian sector of being able to help employees or assist them in any capacity that HR is responsible for. There's a lot of stress on employees when it comes to travel. How do I get from the airport to the hotel or the airport to the client? When I was introduced to Uber for Business, I was very excited because I was now able to really make the logistics of travel more efficient. The moment an employee lands, he or she can actually coordinate a ride to their required destination. Another benefit to that is the employee doesn't have to pay for it because it allowed us to incorporate the billing aspect into utilizing our corporate credit card for all Uber for Business expenses. Uber for Business has a phenomenal dashboard. It's very user-friendly. Matter of fact, it's so friendly, I use it all the time. One of the things I truly enjoy about the program is they constantly ask me for feedback to say, how can we make the product and service even better? Traveling is rather stressful. Uber takes that all away in terms of the anxiety. I got a number of compliments. Hey Ed, you know what? This is the best program we ever had because it made my travel a lot easier.